Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's print Hello World in 4 different programming languages. So we start with the Python and we are going to use online editor here. Very popular, we are using repl.com. So let's start. So first what we have to do, we have to say create app and we are going to choose a template. I'm choosing in here Python. You can name your app. My app is it's my first program, so I say it's my first program and then create app. Python is just one line we have to write to print hello world. Is super simple and beginner friendly. So what we have to print a message in a Python. For that we are just using a very simple method in Python, print itself. Okay, so now we have to start the parenthesis or round bracket and you have to write your message. So my message is definitely a very popular program for beginners to start a coding hello world. Okay, so because it's a message, so you have to write in double quotations and you have to close your bracket. That's it, and it's done. You no need to be create a class, no need to be create a method, and done. Now click the run button and see the outcome. It's not just you can only write hello world, you can write any message whatever you want, or you just say enter the value of a, whatever message you wanted to show on your outcome screen, you use the print method. Hope you like it. See the next video how we can print a message in Java programming. Thank you.